Hi, I'm Kaajal Shahani.
Hi, I'm Oberoi. We're super excited about another listing we have here in Pleasanton. Kaajal, this is a cute condo.
It is 2-bedroom, 2-bath, very spacious and very bright.
It really is bright. And not to mention the schools and everything is close by.
The schools, the commute, you're 5 minutes away from the BART. So perfect location.
Perfect. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to Canyon Meadows, a desirable community nestled in the Northwest Hills of Pleasanton. This lovely condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,000 square feet of living space. The open concept floor plan has high ceilings, a cozy fireplace, a breakfast bar, a sliding glass door for easy patio access, and convenient indoor laundry hookup. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet with organizers and a balcony to enjoy your morning coffee and take in the hillside views. The spacious patio does have additional storage closet. A private 1-car detached garage with an automatic garage door opener is part of the home. Located in a secured community with a swimming pool, spa, tennis courts, and an exercise room. Nearby Stoneridge Mall, BART stations, freeways, shops, restaurants, and much, much more. This home is perfectly located in Pleasanton.
Thank you so much for taking the tour today.
And as you saw, it's a gorgeous property. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.